full house today.
Hello everybody, happy Monday, welcome back to German AutoHaus. Subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, and we show more coolest car and give you more infos about this cooler car, fast car and luxury car. On this day, first, last week we finished McLaren 720, and today early morning we didn't stand to film this car. Car is left, everything is good, car is perfect, drive like a charm, no issue, engine perfect, everything is done, and that car is come back to our happy customer. This week we have more McLaren, but we start from this beautiful 2020 Huracan Evo. This car just came in for service, for annual service, nothing crazy, oil change, inspection, adjust all fluids and say bye-bye. This is first service on this car. 488 still waiting for turbos. I hope, cross my finger, it came tomorrow. GTR came for some issue with the mass sensor, and mass sensor being replaced, still same problem, and we need to check wiring harness, and probably ECU is damaged. This is what we want to figure out end of the day today. And our beautiful, you can see from our previous vlog, 765 over here, it came to install original exhaust back. This is our job. We didn't ask much from our customer what they decide to do, we just do. And one more car, let's say it's a highly modified. I mean, it's highly, this is just similar, I would like to say stage 3 car. This is 600 LT, beautiful, with a Senna seat already inside. Car has performance turbos, E85 matte injection kit, and you can see from this wing what happens. Just like this spot, this one is good, this spot is dry, that one it's no a lot of fluid, and we need to figure, this looks like engine oil, maybe problem with the turbos. Okay, Ilya, go back to talk to the customer. Maybe problem with the turbos, maybe problem with any other things, but I think it's engine oil, and I wanna cross my finger this is engine oil, because this is more simple replacement, just like pull out the turbos and replace. I hope this is not a coolant, but it's a lot of smoke came from these turbos and something not right. Anyway, we have to figure out too what's going on. Yeah, and this is our plan. And this 600 LT came from these guys. Don't wanna blame them, but just the car after upgrade turbos, intercoolers came, you see that video, right, with a heavy smoke. And let me show you guys. Ilya, just hold this camera and I will we have auto sensor removed, and this is what you can see, guys. See how is wet the turbos, and let me just little bit. I want to show you. I think this area. Hang on just a second. Need to bend that camera to see. I think it's a puddle of engine oil inside. Yeah, here is the core.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this whole turbos is wet. Yeah, and oil leak from this side. It's just brand new turbos after I don't know who did this upgrade. It's not a pure turbo for sure. Something not right inside, and it's a heavy internal leak. We check intake is clean, only exhaust, and we need to pull out the turbos and send to that company. Likely nothing damaged except turbos. Ferrari. Ferrari? How you like to say Ferrari?
Ferrari.
No, say Ferrari.
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 Horsey.
Ferrari.
No. Horsey.
Horsey. These turbos already in, and that side it's already installed. This side is done. On progress another one. We need to fire up today because this guy have to move on this memorial place. We'll continue to work on 600, just like remove few bolt from top, like small muffler, let's say muffler pipe, start recover the AC, and boom, bolt is missing. Here is half bolt, but this side it's missing. This is return line, and this is lower point on the oil pan. Wow, 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 guys, I don't know what you do at that company. It's really dangerous, really dangerous. It's more interesting things. coolant leak, coolant dripping from turbos. They didn't tie it proper way. Coolant line. Wow. Now I can say good job guys. You give return that car to customer, not make sure that car is safe. Okay folks, downpipe is out, and now it's possible to see a lot of engine oil inside the turbos. It's when we pull out the downpipe, it's dripping on the frame. Well, now it's actually, we know for sure it's a turbo. Well, ooh, let me grab flashlight. Wow. Yeah, that damage is, you see that guys? See this? One flap is missing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is shaft plate. Well, this is mean we have to pull out the second turbos for sure, and it's really strange, guys. Couple thousand miles. I think what I think it's not right balanced turbos, because after 300-400 miles, this is like that damage is it's really strange, and so much mistake. I don't know. Anyway, we have to take out another turbos. I think we sent to pure turbos for rebuild these turbochargers, and we need to remove two intercoolers to check for sure. We need to find that piece of turbine because it's too dangerous. Now intercooler is out, and we found inside the intercooler so many pieces. This from turbos. yeah, and so many small pieces inside. And now actually I think the problem is this rubber, this is inlet piece they install on these turbos. This is like a seal between elbows and turbos, and maybe they install not right, and that piece just sucked in and damage turbos. I mean that cold side of the turbine, and then start disbalance, and they damage everything inside. Anyway, for sure we need to remove the other turbos. Check what condition of the turbos. Okay, this red 600 LT, you saw that what happens with this car. We talked to customer, and he decided send turbos back to company because he has a warranty on these turbos, on everything. Well, this is his choice, up to him. If of course, why he need to pay extra money, but we usually use the pure turbos because it's most reliable and really good customer service company. Now it's just the time. Now it's just we wait for receive back all parts what we need, and we work on this BMW. Today probably I would like to concentrate on this BMW. We see a few problems with the shifting gear. This is M6 Grand Coupe, right? It's a 4-door. Yeah, it's a Grand Coupe 4-door M6. Yeah, it's a problem with the transmission. M6, and here is the issue. Yeah, it's a problem with the shifting gear, and you can see, guys, how much. Yeah, this is the yellow white shift fork and this magnet inside, and see how much dust. And this is why we have issue with the mechatronic. It not recognize which gear actually enable. And now we need to clean this. We need to clean these magnets and install back everything. Easy peasy.